The city, because of the dream of the people. Machines, because of human intelligence and generate power. And we, for all these unremitting efforts, Founded in 1997, the BOM Machinery Company. It is a professional designer and manufacturer of gears, gearboxes, and precision machine parts. Your idea can be transformed into an ideal product. Design drawings, 3D printing, sample testing, and mass production. We provide you with a full range of machine solutions. In order to ensure product quality, engineers strictly implement every link and constantly polish. Maintain timely and efficient interaction with you to ensure real-time feedback progress.
A few years ago, our team decided that we wanted to build a pedal drive kite. Since then, they've been instrumental in developing, R&D'ing, and producing our gearbox design for the pedal drive kite. The best pedal drive kite on the market. I'm holding it here. It's been a journey with these gentlemen. They've been incredible.
Starting with raw materials, we've been carrying out strict audits. Use advanced testing equipment for material testing, hardness, and durability. In addition, we also have the ability to make dies. Since its establishment, our products have been offered to customers at competitive prices and excellent quality. To this end, the company has always been strict with every engineer and every product. Maybe we can be on your list of the most trusted partners in 100 years. At present, we have 315 customers in 58 countries all over the world. This is just a starting point. We will continue to explore a better future with you.